What's up guys, it's Vishal back with another video. So yet again I have 5 apps for you to download and check out. But before we start, make sure to get subscribed and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Once you're done, let's begin. Starting off with Life Diary, if you're a person who likes to maintain a diary for whatever happens in your life and the moments you want to remember, I've got a little upgrade for you. From now on, you don't have to use a book. You can use this app to write down whatever you like and also attach pictures along with it, just to remember things a little better. You can also save audio files if you're too lazy to write, and there are no ads on this app, so you don't have to worry about it. You can sync it to the cloud, so in case you change your phone, your entries will all be saved, and there are different themes you can also set, which is a very nice touch. You can change fonts, set alphabet size, and also a password to protect your entries. So do check this app out. Next up is WALPY, yet another wallpaper application, but this app is just beautiful in every way. First, it has no ads. Second, its UI is very well laid. And I really like the way the categories are named with witty tags. And obviously, it has a really amazing range of wallpapers. You can even choose to blur the wallpaper to your liking. It has a dark mode option and you can set the wallpapers as a slideshow if you like. So be sure to download this application. Moving on, we have an app called Foodie. If you're someone who takes a lot of pictures of food, this app is tailor-made for you. It has some amazing filters which not only make your food pop, but also is aesthetically pleasing. This even has filters that are especially meant to be used for a particular food, like for example, donuts, as you can see here. It has an inbuilt editor which allows you to add filters on pictures that are not taken in the app. And lastly, it has your basic camera settings that you can tweak. So next we have an app that is straight up for people who believe in the process and hustle to achieve their goals. It's called Mindset Billionaire Thoughts. It has these really motivational quotes with a good background post. If you're someone who believes that hard work is the only way to achieve anything, this will surely motivate the heck out of you. You can like, download and share these quotes and also set it as your wallpaper. So do check this app out and get hustling. Finally, I have a game for you called Opus R. This game tells you how far mobile games have come, with its beautiful visuals and an amazing soundtrack, and not to forget a breathtaking story. It is an adventure indie game which seems like a full-fledged AAA title made for gaming consoles. It's not the gameplay that made me fall in love with the game, but it's the story behind two people and how their relationship progresses throughout the game. With that said, I'm not going to spoil anything for you guys, but I will say this: if you can download only one game on your device, I would suggest you download this. And I really can't believe it's free on the Play Store. So do check it out. So there you go, 5 apps that you must absolutely check out. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like and get subscribed. For more such content, check out my channel. So see you soon. This is Half-Life.